So the student next question 16th is skipped here. I will discuss next 17th. The number of spectral lines in hydrogen atom is infinite 3, 6, 15. Okay, students, the number of spectral lines can be infinite because the single electron can be any one of infinite number of excited states. Okay, that's why the answer is A, infinite. Question number 18th. The energy required to excite hydrogen atom from n equal to 1 to n equal to 2 state is 10.2 electron volt. What is the wavelength emitted when it returns to ground state? Okay, we can easily calculate this when it formula is here hc divided by lambda. Okay, in this case this is equal to en. En means that energy is, value is given, it is 10.2 electron volt is there, that is I am converting here. And electron volt means 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Okay, now our aim is to calculate this value. Okay, the same formula I am writing here. Lambda equal to means hc divided by 10.2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Students, here h means Planck constant, we know already that formula, that value, and c means this is also constant, we know that also, and lambda equal to Planck constant means 6.62 into 10 raised to minus 34 into c is there, c means 3 into 10 raised to 8 whole divided by 10.2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So the student directly I am moving and solving this you will get lambda, and that value is lambda equal to 1220 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Okay, 1220. Okay, we will search that 1220 where it is. Okay, in question, in options given, in given option uh, B, this one. Okay, uh, B, 1220 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Okay, read the question number 19. I'll explain that. Read that. Which of the following radiation series is found in the visible region? Okay, this how to remember this question? I'll explain earlier. Just remember, we know already LBPBPF. This is the code to remember different series. L means here Lyman series, Balmer series, Passion series, Bracket series, and P Fund series. Okay, this belongs to ultraviolet, and this belongs to visible, and these three belongs to infrared IR region. Okay, now see in question, which of the following radiation is series is found in the visible? Visible means here, visible means which one it is? Balmer series. So the answer is Balmer. Okay, that is C. And last question, frequency of the series limit of Balmer series of hydrogen atom in terms of Rydberg constant R and velocity of light c is. Okay, very simple it is, students. We know already formula 1 by lambda equal to r. R is Rydberg constant. This is 1 by 1 square, 1 by 1 square, 1 by 1 square. But Balmer series means this is 2 square minus 1 divided by infinity. We don't know, electrons will jump from infinity to second, that is Balmer, and this value is 0. 1 by 2 square it is 4, means 1 by lambda equal to r. 1 into r into 1 means r divided by 2 square, 2 square it is 4, means 1 by lambda equal to r by 4. Okay, now we'll discuss 1 by lambda value is calculated. We know the relation between wavelength and frequency. Okay, what is that relation means? We know already one relation between frequency and wavelength. F equal to c divided by lambda. F equal to c 1 by lambda. 1 by lambda means that is r by 4 it is. Okay, means C divided by R divided by 4, or this we can write RC divided by 4. Okay, RC divided by 4 is the answer. Okay, just we go for there. RC divided by 4. Okay, option is D, RC divided by 4. Okay, this is final answer. Okay, students, I think in this chapter all the topics are covered, and thank you for watching this video.